Hey, Sixpack Factory fam, welcome back to another Workout Wednesday. Today we've got a 15-minute belly fat burning cardio and core workout that is short, simple, and incredibly effective. We're doing things a bit differently today. We're reaching into our home workout club vault to bring you a workout straight from our world-famous 6-week six-pack challenge. But this is a week 1 workout from the 6-week six-pack challenge that builds your core and burns belly fat. It was created by internationally acclaimed fitness trainer Peter Carvell. He will be talking you through today's workout. So for those of you who've been a part of the Sixpack Factory fam for a while, this is gonna be nostalgic for you. And he's gonna get to the workout right after I explain the movements and timing. For today's workout, we've got 6 moves. We're gonna do each move for 20 seconds, followed by a 10-second rest. And then after you do all of the moves, we're gonna do a 10-second rest and then get back into the cycle. And we're gonna do this for 5 rounds total. So today, and you can see all of these movements on the screen, we've got quick burpees, straight leg bridge lift, high knees, side to side plank touches, jumping jacks, and a walking plank. All right, are you ready? Let's get started in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Peter, take it away.
Let's go. As always, proper form, proper technique. With the quick burpee, you just want to go down quickly and come back up. We're not doing a push-up or jump up, but as you go down, make sure your core is nice and tight. You don't want your low back to slouch as you go down into a plank position. 3, 2, 1. 10-second recovery, and then we're going to start with our first dynamic core exercise, and we are going to do straight leg bridge lift. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ten seconds. Make sure you contract your butt, contract your hamstrings, push through your heels so that when you get to the top, your body's in a straight line. 3, 2, 1, and recover. 10 seconds. Then we're going to move on to our second cardio exercise, and today it's going to be high knees or sprinting. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Swing your arms, lift your knees nice and high, go as fast as you can. 10 seconds, keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 10-second recovery. And we're going to move on to our second dynamic core exercise, and for this we're going to do side to side plank touches. So let's get down into position, into a plank position, and then 20 seconds you go to the one side, touch your hips to the floor, and then you go to the other side and touch your hips to the floor. Keep your core nice and tight. 10 seconds to go. Don't slouch your lower back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 10-second recovery. Then we're going to move on to our last cardio exercise for this round, and we're going to do jumping jacks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. As fast as you can while keeping proper form. 15 seconds. 10 seconds, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And then we're going to move on to our final dynamic core exercise, and we're going to finish off with walking planks. So let's get into a plank position. 3, 2, 1, 20 seconds. We start on the one side, down, down, up, up for 10 seconds, and then we're going to swap over to the other side for 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let's swap over, going down the other side first. Make sure we get a good balance between your full body. 3, 2, 1, and relax. That's 1 round down, guys. We're gonna have 5 rounds in total, so 4 more rounds to go. If you need more rest between rounds, you just take it, but we're gonna get started with quick burpees again. 2, 1, let's go. 20 seconds. Remember, if burpees is too much for you, you can just do high knees or jumping jacks. You can swap out the cardio exercise to fit your own fitness level. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10-second recovery, and we're going to move on to our first dynamic core exercise, straight leg bridges. 3, 2, 1, 20 seconds, let's go. Just touch your butt to the floor and then you bring it back up by squeezing your butt, squeezing your hamstrings and pushing through your heels. If this is too hard for you, you can also just do normal bridge or tabletop bridge. 3, 2, 1 and relax. 10-second recovery, have a sip of water, wipe yourself down, and then we're gonna move on to our second cardio exercise, and we're doing sprinting or high knees. Let's go, 20 seconds, as fast as you can. Swing your arms, lift your knees. 15 seconds. 10 seconds, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great stuff. 10-second recovery, and then we're going to move on to our second dynamic core exercise, and we're doing side-to-side plank touches. So let's get down to the floor, get into a plank position, and 20 seconds, let's go, side to side. 15 seconds. Remember, this is too much for you. You can also just do static side plank for 10 seconds per side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10-second recovery, and then we're going to move on to our final cardio exercise, jumping jacks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 20 seconds. 15 seconds, keep going. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10-second recovery, and then we're going to finish up with our final dynamic core exercise, the walking plank. Get into position. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 20 seconds. Down, down, up, up. Keep that core nice and tight. Don't slouch your lower back. 10 seconds to go. Swap over. 3, 2, 1. Well done. That's your second round down. 3 more to go. Have a sip of water, and if you need more recovery, take it, but we're moving on to our third round. Burpees, 20 seconds. Let's go. 15 seconds. 10 seconds, keep going, looking good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 10-second recovery. And we're moving on to our first dynamic core exercise, straight leg bridge. Okay, 20 seconds, let's go. 15 seconds, remember your core is 360, that's why we need to work the posterior side, like here, the back of your body, the sides and the front, if we want to build a proper, strong and dynamic core. 3, 2, 1. Recover, 10 seconds. Then we're going to move on to our second cardio exercise, high knees. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 20 seconds, as fast as you can. Swing your arms, lift your legs. Go, go, go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10-second recovery. And we're going to move on to our second dynamic core exercise, side to side plank touches. Let's go down. 3, 2, 1, 20 seconds. Let's go. Touch on the one side, touch on the other side. 15 seconds. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. That's about halfway through your workout now. So stay focused so that we can push hard through this final part of your workout. 3, 2, 1, jumping jacks. Let's go. 15 seconds, looking good. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10-second recovery, and then we're going to finish off the third round with our final dynamic core exercise, the walking plank. So let's get down onto the floor. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Down, down, up, up. 3, 2, 1, swap over to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. That's your third round down. 2 more to go. Ready? We're going to get started with quick burpees again. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. 10-second recovery. And we're going to move on to your first dynamic core exercise, working your posterior chain, back of your body, and we're doing straight leg bridge lifts. Let's go. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Remember, at any stage if you need more recovery time, you just take it, pause the video and continue when you're ready. 3, 2, 1, second cardio exercise, high knees. Let's go. 15 seconds. Swing your arms, lift those legs. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great stuff. 10-second recovery. And we're going to move on to your next dynamic core exercise. Let's get down to the floor. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Side to side plank touches. Once again, if it's too much for you, you can just hold a static side plank for 10 seconds on one side and then 10 seconds on the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second recovery, and we're going to move on to your final cardio exercise. Three, 2, 1. Let's go. Jumping jacks. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Keep pushing. Go, go, go. 10 seconds. You're doing great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second break, and then we do the final dynamic core exercise for this round, and we're doing walking plank. So let's get down to the floor. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Swap over to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. That's the end of round 4. One more round to go. This is your last round, guys. So everything you've got left, give it to me now. Starting with quick burpees again. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 20 seconds. If it's too much for you, continue with a different, easier cardio exercise like the high knees or the jumping jacks. But try and continue. 10 seconds. Almost there. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 10-second recovery, and then we're going to move on to our first dynamic core exercise, straight leg bridge lifts. Let's get into position. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 20 seconds. Remember, if you can't do the lift, you can either just hold it in a static position, or you can do an easier version like tabletop bridge or just normal bridge. 10 seconds, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Almost there, guys. Next, moving on to our second cardio exercise. High knees. You ready? Everything you've got left. Give it to me. 20 seconds. Go, go, go. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Keep going. When you get tired, just keep swinging your arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. 10-second recovery. Then we're moving on to our second dynamic core exercise, plank side to side touches. So let's get onto the floor. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Last time you're doing this. Stay focused, keep proper form. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, 10-second recovery. Then we're moving on to your final cardio exercise for today's workout. Jumping jacks, you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Everything you've got. 15 seconds, go, go, go. We're almost there. Only one more exercise after this. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. One more dynamic core exercise and today's workout is all done. So let's get down to the floor for our final walking plank. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Down, down, up, up. Keep that core tight. Don't let your back slouch. 15 seconds to the end of this workout. Keep going. 10 seconds, swap over to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. That was a great workout.
Great job finishing this workout. I'm so proud of you. Your keyword to enter to win a 6-pack protocol bundle is Sixpack Factory fam. Put that in the comments and you'll be entered to win this month's drawing. Now, are you ready to get the body you've always wanted? I invite you to join the Home Workout Club and start seeing results in as little as 30 minutes a day. You get access to 9 proven fitness programs that provide day-to-day workout plans, so you don't have to keep searching endlessly for workouts and advice. Our members-only group provides accountability, motivation, and support to help you reach your goals. And with our meal prep and diet information, you'll be burning belly fat and losing weight with no risk of injury. So get started today for just $1 for the first month. The link to join is in the description. Thanks for watching today's video. If you want more videos like this one, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you next time.